Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make spicy peppered chicken. So if you want your chicken to be tender, juicy, tasty and spicy, try this recipe. To season the chicken, I'll start by grating the ginger. Done grating the ginger, I'll add it into the blender. I will cut the garlic into smaller pieces. I'll also cut the onion. Cut the scotch bonnet. I use red bell pepper or sweet pointed pepper. Cut and remove the seed and cut into smaller pieces. I will roughly blend all this pepper mixture without water. Room pepper because of the flavor and spice. I'll add Cameroon pepper into the blender. Add all the sliced pepper, onion and scotch bonnet into the blender. Done adding everything into the blender, I will roughly blend. Blending, I'll pour the blended mixture on a sieve and allow to drain. This is optional, but don't worry, it helps to reduce the frying time. I'll be using the liquid I got from the blended pepper mixture to cook the chicken. I'll be slicing some onion. I'll be using it to season the chicken. I've already washed the chicken and I'm using soft chicken for this recipe. I'll add the chicken into a pot, add some salt, and season the chicken with any seasoning of your choice. I'll be adding stock cube. Add thyme. I'll be adding the sliced onion. I'll be using the liquid I got from the blended pepper mixture. Cover the pot and allow to cook. I'm not going to cook this chicken for a long time because I'm using this soft chicken. While the chicken is cooking, into a preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. I will add a tablespoon of curry powder. Add the blended pepper mixtures. Stir and allow to fry. While the blended pepper mixture is frying, I'll add white pepper powder. Add salt. Add stock cube. Stir everything together and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, the pepper sauce is ready. You can set aside. Chicken is ready. I will turn off the heat. In a separate pan, I'll be adding the fried pepper sauce. I'll be adding the cooked chicken into the pepper sauce. I'll also add some of the pepper sauce on top of the chicken. I will cover the lid of the pan. Give it a good shake to mix together. When the chicken have mixed together into the sauce, I've already preheated my oven, so I'll be adding the chicken into my grilling pan. heated oven, I will grill the chicken for 10 minutes. Turn to grill the both sides. The reason why I like to grill the chicken is because it allows the pepper sauce to stick or marinate into the chicken. Finally, the spicy pepper chicken is ready. This chicken is so tender, juicy, spicy, and delicious. I hope you try this recipe, and thank you all for watching.